Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a YouTube sketch video. First, let's dive into planning. Start by brainstorming unique ideas and outlining your story. Think about your characters and the comedic moments you want to highlight. A well-written script, including dialogue and stage directions, is crucial. Remember to consider your audience to ensure your humor lands effectively, making your sketch truly memorable and engaging for viewers. Next, we move to production essentials. You'll need some basic equipment: a camera, a good microphone for clear audio, and proper lighting. Select a location or build a set that perfectly fits your sketch's theme. Rehearsing with your actors is key for natural performances and precise comedic timing. Don't forget to capture plenty of footage, including multiple takes and various angles, to give you many options during the editing process. Now, let's talk about editing your sketch. Begin by importing and organizing all your footage within your chosen editing software. Carefully cut and arrange your clips to build a cohesive and engaging story. Enhance the humor with well-placed sound effects, appropriate background music, and any necessary voiceovers. Finally, add visual effects, smooth transitions, and color correction to give your sketch a professional and polished look, ready for an audience. Finally, it's time for publishing and promotion. Export your finished video in a high-quality format, like 1080 pixels or 4K, for the best viewing experience. Craft a compelling title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to optimize it for YouTube search. Design an eye-catching thumbnail that encourages clicks. Then, share your sketch across all your social media platforms to reach a much wider audience and maximize its visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.